What if I told you saving $10,000 in 6 months is not about earning more money?
I was making $40,000 a year. No side hustle, no inheritance, no lottery win.
But in exactly 183 days, I had $10,000 sitting in my savings account. Most people spend first and save whatever is left. There's never anything left. I flipped the equation. Save first, live on the rest. Here's how I broke down every single dollar of my $2,800 monthly take-home pay. I went through 3 months of bank statements. What I found was embarrassing. $340 per month in completely invisible spending. $6,000 from saving plus $2,040 audit. Still need $2,000 more. Here's where I found it. 3 small income streams, selling stuff, freelancing, and high-yield savings, pushed me past $10,000 with 2 weeks to spare. Here are the exact free tools that made this whole system possible. None of them cost a single dollar to start. Your journey starts today. Drop your 6-month savings goal in the comments and hit subscribe for more real, no-fluff finance content every week.